Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT without phone number. You could have encountered the mobile verification stage if you tried to register for an OpenAI account to access ChatGPT. But is it really possible to open without a phone number or your phone number? Yes, it is. Actually, this tutorial is for those who have problems providing a mobile number whenever they sign up to a social media platforms like ChatGPT. So go to a mobile browser, type ChatGPT, click this first one here, introducing ChatGPT, and then scroll down and look for try ChatGPT here. Click this one. It will take you into another site, which is this one here. Now, if you have an existing account, all you have to do is to click login. But since we don't have an account, so click sign up. Now you can type your email address or you can log in using your Google account here. Tap any of this. So it will take you directly to signing up for OpenAI. So provide your name, last name, click continue. Now here it is. You need to verify your phone number. In order to use ChatGPT, they will ask for your phone number, they will send you a code, and you need to verify the code. So all we have to do is to go to Play Store and click free phone number here, type and select any of this free phone numbers application. And then for example, I'm going to select this one here, click install and wait for a few minutes or seconds. And then once done, click open. And then this is what it looks like. Now, in this application, all you have to do is to just get started, create an account, and then once done, you can open this application for free. So this is what it looks like, and you can see a free phone number here that you can use for your chat GPT when you sign up. So all you have to do is to find a phone number here. So once you have this account, you can go back to your chat GPT, type the phone number here, and then also type the code that they sent to your phone number. And once done, you can now enjoy your chat GPT. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.